right, guys, it's that time of year again. That's right, the biggest Mustang show in the entire world is happening right now. AM2015 is upon us, guys. What's up? I'm Justin with AmericanMuscle.com. Coming to you from Maple Grove Raceway, 7th annual American Muscle Mustang Show, and it's our biggest and best one yet. 3,000 plus Mustangs, over 15,000 people, with a portion of the proceeds benefiting Make-A-Wish. Now guys, it's gonna be a great day out here. We're gonna be unveiling Johnathan's Make-A-Wish Dream New Edge. Chip Foose is gonna be giving away the MMD by Foose 2015 GT. Vaughn Gittin Jr. is here with his rig. Steve Saleen, the guest of honor, has brought a few of his cars. And you know we're gonna do it big for the events, right? We're gonna do the Bama Dyno competition, BBK Revving competition, the Vogland Springs exhibition races, and the Roush Burnout contest. And we even have a damn jet car this year. That's right, guys. We're doing it big as always. Let's hit it. All right, guys, so I'm here with Molly from Make-A-Wish. Molly, it's great to be out here at our show this year, benefiting Make-A-Wish. Can you tell us in a nutshell what Make-A-Wish is all about?
Absolutely. Make-A-Wish grants wishes to children with life-threatening medical conditions.
Well, let's talk about a wish today, a big wish that's being granted.
Very big. For
Johnathan, his dream Mustang that we built for him. Yeah, we also have some really neat raffles going on today, including a trip to SEMA, which is a great show out in Las Vegas.
Right.
Ride-alongs with Vaughn Gittin Jr., who is a madman. We have a supercharger system we're giving away, which is pretty cool. Chip Foose is giving away a drawing of a Mustang and some wheels. And last but not least, you actually get to be in a video with me.
That will be very helpful for us to grant more wishes.
Absolutely.
When we first got a call from Make-A-Wish and we learned that Johnathan's wish was to have us, American Muscle, overhaul his car, we were honored. We were excited.
3, 2, 1. All right. Wow. Congratulations, buddy. I'm missing one thing. He's belong to you, sir. I mean, did we nail your vision or what?
By far. Wow. Thank you. Seriously, thank you. 800 horsepower, street driven. 956. This is a 352 cubic inch Pro Charge pushrod motor. I think it should make it probably somewhere solidly in the 1100s. 1161 the wheels.
Guys, we're hanging out in Shelby's booth here. Of course, we're here with Tim and Phil. You guys got a great story. Tim, tell us a little bit about your relationship with Ford.
I think it started back when my grandfather started working for Ford. His sons, Phil and my dad, Lionel, they worked there their entire life. Unfortunately, my father passed away when we were kids, but he still kept that Ford legend going, and that's what we're trying to do here.
It's definitely a family affair. You made a nice sizable donation today to Make-A-Wish, and for that, we're really honored, and we thank you guys.
And we did that in honor of my father.
All right, folks, welcome to the 2015 Roush Burnout competition. It's about to go down.
All right, so we're here with Mr. Steve Saleen. How you doing, sir?
Hi, Justin. Thank you for having me.
Hey, it's our pleasure. We talk about the Black Label 302 here.
I think it's the best that we've done after 30 plus years of doing it. We actually took 3.5 to 4 inches out of the car to give us a much better aerodynamic package. On the back, it has a full functional rear diffuser and of course our trademark Saleen wing.
Thanks for showing us your beautiful creation.
10 cars for this BBK Revving Challenge.
Thanks for joining us for the Vogland exhibition races to the EcoBoost 14 GT run, Bama Terminator, so the GT 500.
Come on down, brother.
Last year, when my girlfriend and I first show together,
This year, I might be a little more special. Will you marry him?
Yes.
He said yes! Oh, give her a hug! Look at me.
Oh, cow. 569 at 280 and change.
Well, Chip, here we are, day of. I mean, this is the moment, right? This is the one we've been waiting for with this car. How excited are you?
I'm very excited. What an amazing get-together of Mustangs here at the show.
We had a blast working with you, Chip. It really was fun creating a car.
My pleasure.
But now, it's time to give this thing away. What do you say?
Well, I already know this gentleman's name, and it's Brad Braulio. Brad, here's the key. Congratulations.
Put your hands together, everybody. Nice, dude. How do you feel about taking home this machine?
Dream come true.
Well, guys, that's it. AM2015 is in the books. Massive success, 3,000 plus Mustangs, over 15,000 people, and one lost voice. It was an incredible time, as always. We had a great time unveiling Jonathan's dream New Edge Mustang. And on top of that, we raised $55,000 for Make-A-Wish. It was unbelievable. One of my favorite parts about today, though, giving back to the community. I mean, that's what this show is all about. It's American Muscle's way to thank you guys for being such great fans of the brand. I don't know how we're gonna beat this. I know I say this every year, but I'm sure we'll find a way next year. So in the meantime, thanks for hanging out with us, AM2015. And for all things Mustang, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.